The condition I came here with was eczema. I had really bad eczema, the remnants of it on my foot, on the lower part of my foot. Then the job I had at the time, I was a chambermaid, which we have to wear a certain uniform of, which includes tights and shoes. In the summertime, my eczema was so irritable and itchy that wearing the tights with the shoes in a hot summery day intensified the itch, which then I scratched that, and I had weeping eczema, which my tights used to stick onto the actual eczema. So when I used to go home and I used to take the tights off, it was actually stuck onto my skin. Now, if you are an eczema sufferer, you can feel my pain. You know exactly where I'm coming from. It was so intensely painful to actually pull the tight from my skin, which in return made it weep even more, and it just looked so horrible. In the summertime, I was so embarrassed. I was embarrassed to go out and actually wear sandals and show my skin, because I used to see people looking at me like I don't know what they thought I had, condition I had, but it just looked so unsightly. At the end, I just kind of didn't know what to do, and someone told me about Chinese medicine. So I came here, and the first thing that they did for me was they gave me a whole heap of herbs, which looked kind of scary, but they were fantastic. I had to boil them up in a pot, and I had to drink this medicine twice a day. Well, it tasted okay, but it wasn't all that greatly pleasant. But after a week, I saw a great difference in my foot. The pain of the itching wasn't so intense, so I thought, this is great, this is actually working. I took this drink for about a month, and then my eczema had gotten so much better, they put me onto actual capsules. So I took the capsules for maybe about another month, and after that, my eczema completely disappeared. That was 1996, we're now in 2012. If you would like to look at my foot, I could show you on camera, anybody. It's completely disappeared, and I have never ever had it return. This made me, as if you're an eczema sufferer, you know where I'm coming from. I was so happy. I couldn't believe that something worked after all the years of actually having eczema. As when I was born, I actually was born with eczema. I had it completely covering my body. They tried many things when I was a small child, and nothing ever worked. As a child, up until maybe the ages of 13, 14, I used steroid creams, which, if you know you're an eczema sufferer, weakens our skin, and it's not a good thing for us to use all the time. So people, if you are suffering from any age, from a child to an adult, if you're suffering with eczema, please come here, because this will be the cure. You will never have eczema ever again. It's the most fantastic treatment ever, and you can live your life and be happy.